Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Lexus LM300h, the ultra luxury minivan by Lexus. So this model is very nicely detailed. It is officially licensed by Lexus. It also has all openable parts and a very realistic interior detailing. So this model is highly detailed and it is officially licensed by Lexus. It also has all openable parts and a very realistic interior. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.